Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am going to show you how to correctly bid on StockX. It is a fast and easy tutorial. First, do your research before placing a bid. Make sure you have a good understanding of the current market value of the item you understand it. Look at recent sales and compare prices to get a sense of what you should be bidding. Next, it is important to set a realistic budget. Determine the maximum amount you are willing to spend on the item and stick to bidding. Bidding can be exciting, but it is crucial to avoid getting catch up in the heat of the moment and overspending. When you placing your bid, timing is everything. It is the best to wait until the last few seconds of the occasion to enter your bid. This strategy is known as sniping. Reduce the chances of the other bids outbidding you. Just make sure you are ready to submit your bid in the final moment. Another tip to consider using the buy now option if it is available. This allows you to purchase the item immediately to set price, eliminating the need bid to and potentially face competition from the other buyers. Lastly, be patient. Winning bids on StockX can sometimes take time. Don't disagree if you are not successful right away. Keep trying and eventually you are secure the item you are after. Thanks for watching. If the video was helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Click on notification bell icon